Alright, this is the midterm test for science, 7th grade science. Chapter 1, Atoms. What is the negative charge of a neutron? A, negative, B, positive, or C, neutral? Number 2. Protons have a blank charge. Negative, A, B, positive, C, neutral. Number 3. Outside the nucleus are A, electrons, B, protons, C, neutrons, D, proneutrons. 4. Atoms with an electrical charge are called elements, ions, matter, or D, material. 5. A negatively charged atomic particle is called what? A, electron, B, proton, C, neutron, D, nucleus. Number 6. What is the building block of matter? A, cell, B, molecule, C, element, or D, atom? Number 7. Which is the property of all atoms? A, more electrons than protons, B, a nucleus with a positive charge, C, a positively charged electron cloud, D, the same number of protons and neutrons. Number 8. Where is the most of the mass of an atom located? A, in the electrons, B, in the neutrons, C, in the nucleus, or D, in the protons. Number 9. Which best describes an electron cloud? A, an area of charged particles with a fixed boundary, B, electrons on a fixed path around the nucleus, C, mostly empty space with tiny charged particles in it, or D, a solid mass of charge around the nucleus. Number 10. If an uncharged atom of potassium has an atomic number of 19, how many electrons will it have? A, 19, B, 20, C, 39, D, 40. Number 11. Who does Mr. Lex look like? A, Shrek, B, Donkey, C, one of the three pigs, or D, Miss America? Number 12. Which kind of matter might contain two or more types of atoms bonded together? A, a compound, B, an element, C, heterogeneous mixture, or D, homogeneous mixture? Number 13. Which correctly describes a compound but not a mixture? A, all of the atoms are of the same element, B, all of the molecules have at least two atoms, C, the combination of substances never changes, D, the substances can be separated without breaking bonds. Number 14. What is the atomic number of an atom that has 2 electrons, 3 protons, and 4 neutrons? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 7. Number 15. What is the atomic mass of an atom that has 5 protons, 4 electrons, and 5 neutrons? A, 5, B, 10, C, 9, D, 14. Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Matter and its Properties. Number 1. Blank has mass and takes up space. A, matter, B, mass, C, density. Number 2. Blank is the amount of space a sample of matter occupies. A, matter, B, mass, C, volume. Number 3. Blank is a state of matter with a definite shape and volume. A, solid, B, liquid, C, gas. Number 4. A blank is a state of matter with a definite volume but not a definite shape. A, solid, B, liquid, C, gas. Number 5. A state of matter without a definite shape or definite volume is A, solid, B liquid, C gas. Number 6. All matter is made up of tiny particles that are constantly blank. Number 7. The farther the distance, the blank the force. Number 8. Any characteristic of matter, this is physical properties, any characteristic of matter that you can observe without changing the identity of the substance that make it up is A, physical change, B, physical property, C, chemical change. Number 9. Blank is the amount of matter in an object. A, weight, B, mass, C, density. Number 10. Blank is the amount of gravitational pull on the mass of an object. A, weight, B, mass, C, density. Number 11. Another physical property of matter that depends on the amount or size of the sample is A, density, C, volume, C, gas. Number 11. Another physical property of matter that depends on the amount or size of the sample is A, density, C, volume, B, volume, or C, gas. Number 12. Blank is the mass per unit volume of a substance. A, density, B, mass, C, weight. Under chemical properties. Number 13. A blank is the ability or inability of a substance to combine with or change into one or more new substances. A, chemical property, B, chemical change, C, physical change. Number 14. Blank is the ability of a type of matter to burn easily. A, solubility, B, flammability, C, rust. Number 15. Blank is a substance that forms when iron reacts with water and oxygen in the air. A, solubility, B, flammability, C, rust. Lesson 2, changes in matter, physical changes. Number 1, a change in the size, shape, form, or state of matter that does not change the matter's identity is a blank. When a physical change occurs, the blank of matter stays the same. Number 3, Mr. Lex's favorite college team is A, OSU, B, OSU, C, the other one. Number 4, changes in the state of matter are blank. A, chemical changes, B, physical changes, C, matter. Number 5, the substances that make up the material do not change during a change in the A, temperature, B, volume, C, state of matter. Number 6, changes in energy cause changes in the A, color of matter, B, size of matter, C, state of matter. Chemical changes. Number 7, another name for a chemical change is A, chemical reaction, B, physical change, or C, touchdown. 8, the only sure sign of a chemical change is the formulation of A, new substance, B, gas, C, new state of matter. Number 9, blank can form during both a physical change and a chemical change. Number 10, a blank is a solid that sometimes forms when two liquids combine. A, bubble, B, gas, C, precipitate. Number 11, a change in the color of a substance is a sign of A, chemical change, B, physical change, C, physical property. Number 12, all chemical reactions involve A, change in volume, B, a change in energy, C, a change in color. Number 13, the blank states that the total mass before a chemical reaction is the same as the total mass after the chemical reaction. Number 14, the identity of matter does not change during a blank, but the identity of matter does change during a blank. cells. Number 1. The smallest unit of life is, number 2. The organelle that makes ribosomes is the, number 3. The type of cell that does not have membrane-bound nucleus is a, number 4. The type of cell that does have a membrane-bound organelles is a, number 5. The vehicle that takes proteins to where they need to be beyond the ER is the, number 6. The control center or brain of the cell is the, number 7. The organelle that protects and is the gateway into and out of the cell. Number 8. The organelle that produces energy for the cell. Number 9. What the cell uses for energy. Number 10. The organelle that produces energy from light is the, number 11. All plant cells have a, number 12. The organelle that makes protein is the, number 13. The organelle that is a storage unit. Number 14. The organelle that transports proteins to areas in the cell. Number 15. The organelle that packages the protein so the cell can use it. Number 16. The organelle that gives the cell its shape. Number 17. The organelle that digests the old cell or damaged cell parts, the trash man. Number 18. The two types of cells are, number 19. Bacteria make up this type of cell. Number 20. Plants and animals are this type of cell. Number 21. The organelle that is housed inside the nucleus is the, number 22. The organelle that gives plant cells their shape and protects them is the, number 23. The highway of the cell. Number 24. What is the gateway to the cell? Number 25. What is the powerhouse of the cell?